Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. Alright, it's proven now that Uber pay for drivers is peanuts around the globe, not just the United States. Not a week goes by that I get literally 12 to 1500 emails from our supporters and our audience. First of all, thank you for the support. Without you guys being my eyes and ears, no way I would be able to do this. But I guess we have a viewer in Kenya. And this is not a joke. They sent me this article. Clearly, you guys will see on the screenshot, it says Kenyan drivers are not getting paid enough, or they're literally getting paid peanuts by the Uber algorithm. So what do? They took the matter in their own hands, and when they do accept the trip, they go pick up the rider, but then the negotiations begin. They literally have a fare card or a rate card literally hanging from the back, as you guys can see in the screenshot as well, from the back of the rider or the passenger seat. Now, if we did this in the US, we all know what the repercussions are going to be. We definitely will get deactivated because the rider will send in a complaint. And, with the style that these companies operate, shoot first, ask questions later. What do? They will boot you off the platform. Now, is this something that's happening in the US? I know for a fact that a lot of people do friends and family trips. Are you sure that you're covered to do those types of trips? Because the best friend and family, in the case even of a fender bender, is going to be big legal trouble for you guys. Now, do I condemn or condone any kind of behavior like this? No. It's not my decision. I would not do it because I have a house to protect and a bank account to protect and a family to protect. But if you got nothing to lose, I guess you have to do what you have to do to feed your family. So what do you guys think? I guess it's a global phenomenon. Uber pays peanuts. Breaking news. No, it's not really breaking news to me, but I thought this was funny. That Kenyan drivers, specifically from Nairobi, and I know I checked it, Uber does operate a pretty big business in Nairobi, they started negotiating with the riders when they put them in the car. They go, well, there's your rate card, sir. Yeah, we can do this trip, but we're going to do it for this much, as opposed to what Uber is paying me for. I don't know. What do you all think? Should we just take the matter in our own hands and just negotiate with riders? Please, keep sending the email, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. More importantly, please join us 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club on our YouTube channel. And absolutely the most important thing is please stay healthy and be safe out there.